everybody, welcome back. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com, where we specialize in one-on-one virtual math tutoring for middle school and high school math students. And in this video, we are going to review all of our fraction rules and our positive and negative rules. If you just want positive and negative rules, please go check out those videos first. And if you want just fraction operations with no positive and negatives, please go check out those videos. This is kind of a try it and put it all together. I'm not going to be teaching everything from scratch in this video. So with that said, when you feel good, pause and try these on your own. In fact, I highly encourage you to do that as we go, since this is kind of a review and putting things together, but I'm also going to talk through every step. All right, so multiplying two fractions. I'm going to ignore that negative for just a minute. I'm going to multiply the top. I'm going to multiply the bottom. And then let's look at that. We've got a positive times a negative, which is a negative. And you can put the negative on the 3. You can put the negative out front. You can even put the negative on the bottom. It does not matter. They're all the same. Just make sure there's one negative only, not 2. Alrighty. 2, dividing fractions. All right, I need a mixed number to be turned into a improper fraction. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Keep that a negative. Negative 2 over 9. So now we're going to do keep, change, flip. Oh, and this one we can cross cancel too. 3 goes into 3 one time. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 2 goes into 2. Here's where you need to be careful with that negative. I'm going to cross the whole thing out and make sure that's a negative 1. And 4 gets divided by 2 times as well, so that's going to be a negative 2. Be careful with your negatives on these when you start cross-canceling. It's very easy for the negatives to get lost. Negative 2 times 3 on the top gives me negative 6. 1 times negative 1 on the bottom gives me negative 1, which is just positive 6. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 2 negatives when I divide gives me a positive. All right, adding and subtracting. These have different signs, so I'm going to subtract. I'm going to 2 and 4/5 minus 1 and 3/5. Do not be afraid to have a spot on your paper or even another sheet of paper where you show all your steps. And in fact, I would do it somewhere where your teacher could see it so they can check your work. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. And then we leave the denominator. So it's 1/5, but let's run back over to our original problem. The 2 and 4/5 is bigger than the 1 and 3/5, so make sure you keep that sign. It's going to stay negative. Oh, now we got to get some common denominators. All right, we can do this. The common denominator for 8 and 5 is 40. Make sure my negatives don't get lost. So that's going to be a 16 on top. It's going to be a 15. Now these have a plus sign in the middle and they have the same signs. So we are just going to add. 3 plus 3 is 6. 15 plus 16 is 31. They were both negative, so we're going to keep it negative. All right, last one. Got to get common denominator again. Negative 6, it's 45 for 9 and 5. 45 multiplied by 5, multiplied by 9. Okay, negative 6 minus 3. So we're going to add the opposite. Some people don't want to change the sign. You don't have to, but this is what we're doing. We're adding the opposite. So they're both negative. My answer will be negative. 6 plus 3 is 9. 10 plus 36 is 46 over 45. Okay, that's an improper fraction. 46 over 45. That's not allowed. We do need to fix that. So that gives me 1 and 1 left over when I do my division. 45 goes into 46 one time with 1 left over. So I'm going to regroup that, and that's going to be 10. There's my 10 and 1 over 45. Ta-da, done. Make sure you like and subscribe and follow all those fun things so that you know when new videos are posted. If you need extra practice, make sure you find our worksheets. We have lots of worksheets that go with our videos so you can get more practice and have the answers. I hope that was really helpful. Have a great day. Bye, friends.